like morning light on wet concrete, warm and steady, can't be beat. Even when the path disappears, I leave a trail of brighter years. I go, oh, 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 I go, oh, 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 oh. Shared one meal with 3 hungry friends. Laugh so hard, the ache almost ends. Now they watch me chase what they call too far, but stars don't shine.
The music video you just watched was created entirely with AI, and yes, it was completely free. And just when I thought AI music tools couldn't get any crazier, this platform drops an update that might change everything. They've integrated Sora too. Now you can generate a full original song from an idea and turn it into a cinematic music video, all inside the same platform. That's a huge claim, so today we're putting it to the test. Is this hype, or has Tuni become the first real all-in-one AI creative studio? Let's find out. I have dropped the link to Tuni AI for you in the pinned comment and the description so you can sign up and get started. So here's the main interface. It's clean with a prompt box and some presets below. You can see options for uploading audio, images, or video, and even a web search feature. And guess what? Tuni's entire workflow is built around a conversational AI. Instead of just rolling a prompt, you can actually have a chat with it. So to test this new music video feature, first we need a song. In the prompt box, I will type, "Create a captivating, emotionally rich pop track with warm female vocals, atmospheric synths, and a memorable, uplifting chorus," and let Tuni cook. And here we go. Tuni AI is now chatting with us. It has understood the vibe perfectly. Then, like a real producer, it gave me 4 creative options for the lyrics: dreamy modern pop, soulful electro pop, uplifting dance pop, and I want all of them. From this, I will choose the 4th option. It will generate all 3 options so I can choose the music that fits best. Look at that. Tuni analyzed the request and crafted a musical prompt for the song, and here it's generating the lyrics for our song as well. And here we are, finally, with our songs. We are given 2 songs for each option. Let's hear them one after the other and select the best one.
Steam curl once from this porcelain curve. Now it's just the clock and me. Your chair still holds the shape you left, but not your voice, not your key. I play the last thing you said like a record skipping on repeat. Was it goodbye or just see you soon? I can't tell the difference.
Oh, that is so good. The melody, vocals, and the beach vibes, everything is in elite quality as always. Yes, this is definitely the true rival of Suno. Now, for the reason we are all here, let's turn our song into a music video. For that, I'm going to click this little icon below our song and select Make MV option and confirm. Great. Tuni AI is attending to my request and has given me 2 video models to choose from: Sora 2 MV, which will give us a 30 seconds music video, and Vibe MV, which will deliver up to 60 seconds. Crazy, right? Sora 2 MV model is why we are here, and obviously the one we are going to click. It promises 30 seconds of stunning cinematic visuals, ideal for TikTok Reels. And here you can select the portion of the song that you would like to create the music video from. Tuni has detected the chorus and put that as default, which should be good, so I will leave it as it is, and then click on Next Step here. And now I get to play the director. Here we can customize our music video for the look and feel we want. There are 2 types: narrative type video with cinematic storytelling, or a dance type video with dynamic choreography. I will keep this narrative type. And there are many visual styles to choose from: film noir, pastel romance, 3D animation, VHS-80 style, and even stop motion. For this, I will select VHS-80 style. I want to display the music lyrics on screen, so I will leave this button toggled. You can have the aspect ratio be landscape or vertical. Since it had mentioned before that this feature would be ideal for TikToks or Reels, I'm going to choose 9:16. And here you can describe a little bit of what you have in mind for inspiration. I'm going to type this as my description: high-energy video of a confident female singer performing in a glowing nightclub surrounded by vibrant dancers. We will keep the lyrics on screen and hit generate. As you can see, this only costs 46 credits. Here, Tuni has created a storyboard for our video, defining the frames and camera movements. And here we are currently, Tuner is generating our video. Wow, our video is ready. Let's take a look.
Anymore. You were gone before the cup got cold, just a ghost in morning light. I kept sitting two places out while you vanished overnight. Found your hairpin by the door, tucked behind the frame we bought, the one that never quite hung straight like a song.
That looks great. The visuals are genuinely cinematic, and it perfectly captures the neon nightclub atmosphere, the bold performance energy, and the overall vibe of the track. We can see the smooth transitions, vibrant lighting effects, and on-beat captions all working together in sync. No further editing needed. It's not flawless, but they were right. This is absolutely ideal for a reel. And hey, Tuni can also work in reverse. That's right, Tunee AI supports multimodal creation, so you can upload photos, audio, and even videos as well to create music from. Let's go back to the home section of Tuni, and just for fun, I'm going to upload the same short video clip that Tuni just generated with muted audio, and let's see what comes up. I will type what soundtrack would match this scene. It analyzed the video and gave me 3 genre options. Yes, again, Tuni has identified the vibe perfectly. It generated 4 ideas like the other time, but this time I will be choosing retro city energy, and this is what it created.
You left your jacket on the chair. I wore it once, then tossed it there. Now the mirror shows just me. Lips gloss red, finally free. The baseline hums beneath my feet. No more waiting, no retreat. Every shadow fades to light.
The ability to generate a mood from a visual is a massive creative tool. You can upload any image you have and have Tuni analyze it and generate mood as well. Alright, quick break to talk about the practical stuff. Tuni still comes with a solid free plan that gives you 150 daily credits, which means you can try out this whole Sora 2 music video feature without spending a single cent. But here's the real win for creators, the commercial license. If you're on a paid plan, everything you create, the song, the stems, and now the video, is yours with full lifetime commercial rights. No copyright headaches, no stock footage bills, none of that nonsense. It's honestly a huge deal. So after this update, what's the verdict? Tuni isn't just competing with Suno anymore, it's playing in an entirely new lane. This isn't just a music generator, it's a full-on creative studio. It's your songwriter, your producer, and now your music video director all sitting inside one chat window waiting to work with you. I've dropped the link to Tuni AI in the description. If you haven't tried it yet, you really should. And as always, I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this breakdown helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more AI tools on my channel. I'm always watching for the next game changer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.